In activity column, it's first requirement collection. We used to give some alphabet for each and every activity. So the first activity is requirement collection. So in requirement collection, we used to give A and screen design B, like this, up to H. H is for installations. So, and predecessor is which task will be finished, or which task should be complete to start this task. For example, screen design should be can be start after completing some other activity. So requirement collection should be complete. See, the activity A is a requirement collection. So requirement collection should be complete to start screen design. B should be start after A, which means predecessor. This A should be complete, predecised to start B, like that. And the report design C, activity C, should be start after A, same. B also should be start after completion of A. C also can be start after completion of A. And the D, database construction also has to start after completion of two two activity, which is B and C. B is screen design and C report design. After completion of screen design and report design, a database construction can be started. And the E, user documentation can be started after completion of D, which is database construction. And F, programming can be started after completion of D, which is database construction. And the testing, G can be started after completion of F, which is programming. And the last, H, which is installation, can be started after completion of E and G, which is user documentation and testing. So mainly this is the table which you will get. Most of the time, usually the question used to come like this: draw PERT chart. Which in this question, the lecturer has assigned 6 marks, and B is identify and list all paths, which for 2 marks, and find critical path. This is very important for this PERT chart. Critical path, which is you also get critical path. CPM, which used to give 2 marks. So I'm going to show you how to draw a PERT chart, the main part of. Hi, sorry guys, I forgot one thing. One column. I left one column, which is duration. Every activity has a duration to be complete. In a requirement collection, they need 3 days. The project manager or the people who are assigned to collect the requirements, they need 3 days to complete it. And the screen design, the people designers or UI designers, UX designers, they need 4 days to design the screen of the software. And the report design, this is a database sorry, the front-end designers, or maybe incorporate with the database designers, they need 4 days to complete it. And database construction, they need 8 days to construct complete database. And user documentation, they need 5 days to complete. And programming, programmers, they need 3 days to complete programming codings. And testing, this is testing activity, they need 3 days to testing, which is including user testing. Lot of testings are there. And the installation, which needs 2 days to complete. So the easiest way we can do is in Excel. What I used to do in Excel, can just highlight some of the columns and make all the columns in same size, like a square. A cell should be in square form. uh, 2 rows 3 column, like this. Okay, I'll just remove 1 column, and we just write here a task name, sorry, activity name, which is A. Okay, and in here A, I mean A is the predecessors of B and C, right? So we copy it here, oh here, just here. Okay, here and here, right here, and we used to give a B here, give this a B, and this is C. Okay, and what we used to do is this this after this activity, it will go to both these two activity. So just go inside and we will draw some line. Okay, shape, arrow. This is arrow. This arrow is to give some arrow. Okay, I think it's good. I just give black color. Okay, and same, copy, paste. Oh, it's a bit like here. Okay, so this is A, B, and C, and next is D, right? D is uh, D is after B and C. After completion of B and C, D can be started. So we can put D here, right here. Okay, right here we can put D. See, after completion of A, it will be B, and after completion of A, it will start C also. So after completion of B and C, D can be started. So we can put arrow from B to D, as well as we can put arrow from C to D. Okay, the D can be start. See, the activity D can be start after completion of B and C. And next is E, right? E. E can be start after completion of D, and also F can be start after completion of D. So like this we can make. Say this is E, and this is F. Okay, we can copy this to arrow and we can pass it here. See, and there will be G and H. So G can be start after completion of F. So G can be start after completion of F, right? So it's a G. We have to put arrow here. G can be start after completion of F. So it's like this. All right, yeah. And F, sorry, H can be started after completion of E and G. H can be started after completion of E and G. E and G. E and G. E also G. Sorry, this is H, okay? And then so H can be started after completion of G and C. H can be started after E and G. E and G. Hi, after the diagram, we have to fill these tables, small tables, all the activity, each and every activity we have a small table, right? So here's a template how you fill ES, A, EF, and D. D is for the duration. Here we have given a duration for each task, each activity. And ES is the earliest start, how early we can start the activity. And EF is a how, sorry, earliest finish, how early we can finish the activity. Okay, here we go. The first A can be start. How was the duration? First we will put the duration, right? Duration is how much? 3, right? So how early can we start it? Is 0, right? 0. The day 0 we can start it, right? And uh, how early we can finish it? How many days is it? 3 days, right? So duration is 3 days. So 3 days, within 3 days we can complete it. And second we'll go for B, right? B. B is depending on A, right? Predecessors is A. So after completion of A, we can start B, right? The duration is how much? Duration is 4, right? Okay. So first of all, we put all the duration here. Okay. C is 4 days. D is how many days? D is 8 days. And E is how many days? E need 5 days, right? 5 days to complete. And F need how many days to complete? 3 days, right? And H need, sorry, G need 3 days again, and H need 2 days, right? Okay, then we will go for B, right? A is EF and ES is completed, and we will go for B. B, which how many days? I mean, which day we can start? Early start. Early start can be in third day, right? Because in A it is finished on third day, so we are depending on A. After completion of A, we can start in the third day, right? Okay, so how soon can we finish the task? The earliest finish will be 3 days plus completion duration is 4 days, so it is 7 days. 3 plus 4, 7. Likewise in C also depending on A, right? Yeah, depending on A to be complete, so it is third day. We can start on third day because A also a completion day is third day, so C can be start on according to the table on third day. Finish on duration is 4 days, so same 7. Okay, and D D duration is 8. Which day can we start it on? Because D is depending on both B and C, activity B and C. B and C both activity also can finish on 7th day, so D can start on 7th day. So how many days do it need to complete the activity? 8 days, so total 15 days. And E, activity E. Activity E can be start on 15th because activity E is depend on D. See, depending on D. So 15 and can finish within 5 days. So 15 plus 5 is 20. And activity F also can start on D, depending on D. So can start on 15th and it need 3 days to complete. So its total is 18 days. And G, G can G is depending on F, right? So it can start on 18th day and it need 3 days to complete. So it's 19, 20, 21, 21st day, right? Okay. And H is depending on both E and G. See, both E and G to complete. Activity E is complete on 20th day, but activity G is complete. I mean, earliest finish is 21. Activity E earliest finishes 20th. So still we have to wait for the G to be complete, right? Because E and G should be finished, should be complete to start H. So we have to wait for 21st day. So can be start, this start will be 21, right? And complete, I mean activity duration is 2 days. So 21 plus 2 is this 23. That's it. That's we can. This is earliest finish and earliest start. Okay, the next part is fill in latest start and latest finish, or late start or late finish. So it's a this template LS, which is late start or latest start, and LF, latest finish or late finish. So unlike the earliest finish and earliest start, we have to do this in backward. So we have to start from H, right? Okay, so you feel the late finish will be same as 23 because it's 23 is the late. I mean, how early it will be finished. So it will start from 23, and we minus 2 duration. Minus 2 is 21, right? So both of these is depending on, I mean this H is depending on both of E and G, right? So it will go backward like this. So it is 21 here, latest late finish will be 21, and here also 21. So 21 minus 5, it is 19, sorry, it is 16, and 21 minus 3, it is 18, and it is depending on this one, right? E is, I mean, by going backward we have to follow the arrow back. Okay, so it is 18 here, right? So 18 will go there, and 18 is here left, and 18 minus 3 is 15, and backward here it is 16 here, and 16 minus 8, there's 8 days, it is 8, right? And here both also 8 because backward we are going, right? This 8 will be here again, and 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, and here same 4 will be here, and 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 is 1, right? So basically we have answered this question A and B. Draw PERT chart and identify and list all paths. We have identified all the paths and we have drawn the PERT chart. And the C, find the critical path. Critical path is actually uh, most important path which miss any day, or we miss any of the duration day, or early finish, or early start, or late start, any of that, then enter project will affect and enter project will delay. So according to this PERT chart, that critical path will be see 3 4 7 8. This all are odd, right? 15 16 17 7 8. So but here you can notice 15 15 18 18 18 18 21 21 21, no days remaining, 23 23. So the critical part will be F to G to H. So it is F to G to, sorry, H, I'm sorry, G to H. Okay, this is a critical path, F to G to H. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you for watching.